1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we...
Oo nga, a lot of adjustments, a lot of things needed to be done.
Coach, kamusta naman yung performance ng Parañaque with their new coaching staff in the first quarter?
Well, you know, it would be nice ito makita natin percentages muna, 3 of 16 for Parañaque.
Ati Serrano, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for tuning in with us here at the MPBL Datu Cup. Tumatakbo ang Marikina with Gerald Anderson. Gerald for 3. Wala yan. Ives Sazon with the offensive rebound. Coach, the crowd really making some noise.
Joke, this guy comes to play rugged. Handa nga makipagpalitan ng mukha eh. I mean, he doesn't care. This guy will go all out. There you go.
Talking about Gerald Anderson, an offensive rebound para sa kanya as he scores. Narito ngayon si Pedroño as he turns the ball over. Back-to-back turnovers here.
Tingnan natin, both of these teams really need a win. Both need to be aggressive. Both need to be energized.
Pero ngayon, ang na-energize yung crowd dahil kay Gerald Anderson.
Well, Marikina now showing the way of being konti na lang ang tama sa board. Inulang sa anggulo.
As they get the steal, Mescalado bumabawi at defensive end.
Gerald Anderson tapping that ball. That's kaya nakuha nila ang bola.
Such a good defensive player.
The quicker you score, the quicker you get back down on defense.
Coach, 2-3 zone na rin ang binibigay ng Parañaque Patriots. Ito. By the way, Powerade is the official hydration partner of the MPBL Datu Cup. At mukhang maraming nainom na Powerade.
So fast, was that Noble who scored?
Yes, it was Noble.
Oh, that happened so fast.
Si Noble, kanina pa ito nag-aabang sa loob. Gerald Anderson puts it up, puts
There
it!
you go. If you're not gonna take him seriously, he's gonna kill you.
Naman, yung tres na pinakawalan niya kanina. He puts it up and puts it in.
And all the times we saw sa replay natin, Gerald Anderson is positioning himself to be a recipient of the pass. Makikita mo, 9 points na siya, 4 of 6 field goals, at 2 steals. Maganda sinama yung steals na yun kasi hindi siya ang nakakuha, but siya yung tumapik. And I don't know how he can continue playing.
And look at Gerald Anderson with the putback para sa Marikina.
Like I said, he's always there, putting himself in a position to get
It's a rebound. Gerald Anderson for 3. Wala. Costello. And time will run out here in the second quarter as the Marikina Shoemasters take.
May naantay lang. There you go. Fan
Gerald
favorite.
Anderson on the screen for you. Looking fresh as always. By the way, Gerald Anderson, nasa kanyang bola. Good fake para sa kanya. And Gerald Anderson starts his journey. Ryan Costello, of course, traded to the Marikina Shoemasters. I think that was for Joshua Gonzalez. As, Jonathan Salvador gets that bucket of an assist from Gerald Anderson. Tunay na lakas move of the game. This is Gerald Anderson. A good fake right-handed layup para sa kanya. The crowd favorite scoring a career high. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's Gerald Anderson para sa inyo. Gerald Anderson ngayon may hawak ng bola. Oh, he stops and pops.
Well, Mescalado nga will rely on those threes kasi pagod na sila, undermanned. They're playing tough defense and offense. They hardly challenge na ngayon kasi pagod na. Another easy layup there.
Layup there by Gerald Anderson. Napapagod na ang depensa.
Napapagod na depensa because kulang nga undermanned itong Parañaque ball now. Earlier, Justin Yani, too much dribbling, losing, but Gerald Anderson going strong.
Ganda pasahan nila, Gerald Anderson. Finding an opening at the baseline. Gerald Anderson staying aggressive here. Montilla looking for a teammate. And a steal by Mescalado. Aabot pa siya. Finish nila ang layup first. Quarter 15-11 and also 22-21 in our second quarter. Pero ang third quarter, nanalo ang Parañaque 83-17. Coach JB Gayoso, Gerald Anderson is lining it up here sa Muntinlupa.
Ngayon, except for the last one, converted sana.
And here's Gerald Anderson scoring once again para sa Marikina Shoemasters.
Wow, feeling it. Yan naman.
It's offensive rebound. Gerald Anderson once again.
Talaga ito si Montilla because he's a smart player. He knows how to get points for himself and his teammates.
Here's J.R. Nansang. Spins to the left. Gerald Anderson kicks it out. Ives Sazon for three, puts it in! Ives Sazon gives Marikina the lead once again, 64-61 here in the fourth quarter.
Credit Gerald Anderson. There he goes, creates, leaves his teammate open, Sazon, all night to shoot that three.
Switch bomb para kay Ives Sazon. Once again, 67-66. Gerald Anderson puts it up. Wala yan. Gerald Anderson has been hot tonight. Tumatakbo ngayon ang crucial turnover against Gerald Anderson.
Yeah, very tough. He's got quick hands, quick feet. Gerald Anderson, do not underestimate his defensive ability. I mean, time and time again, and even in his previous games, he's reliable, truly reliable on defense.
Good defense naman ang pinakita sa kanya doon.
Hindi pa rin niya makuha because he went straight to his feet.
As we take a look at our best scorer of the game, this is Gerald Anderson, the fan favorite. Our best scorer, Vic Alvo. Sino pupuntahan nila? They go to Anderson, fires the three. Miss yan para sa kanya.
And that's what I
That's a successful comeback. 71-68 ang ating